Algérie. Heading back to Algeria, I guess. $7.67. Oh baby, nice catch. Yeah man. Air Algérie, $7.67 I presume. It's kind of cool seeing them coming down out of the clouds there. $7.67. $7.37. I think. What do we have here? Air Algérie. Boy, I seem to be getting this plane a lot, eh? It seems. Massive beast. Yeah, rush hour in Montreal, as you'll see in a second. That plane! Seen from Rosemont. Oh, what's that? What the hell is that? That's a plane I never seen before. I'm really glad I filmed. I don't know what airline that is. Damn eyesight, even zoomed in with this camera. I can't tell you what it is. What do you want? The damn thing is flying 20,000 feet, I think, or 10,000. We lost visual. Come on, that's it. No! Fuck. Doesn't look like it's a normal flight path for that plane, actually. Look at this guy just took off there. Going in the direction that plane was just landing. Ah. Interesting. What the hell? I've never seen a plane come in on landing and like diagonally like that. They must have told me I had the wrong runway or something. Well, that's weird. Cool. And you can't smell the fumes from the freshly painted edges of the sidewalk. Yeah, man. Look at that, 1 and 2. American Airlines. A little windy today. When I say a little, I mean a lot. Oh, cool. Look at that banking. Decent. Oh man, that's rare. I get them from a front view like that. It's like a friggin' bomber almost. Looks like a 777, I'm guessing 787. Sorry, I shifted my torso there. Damn it. Very windy today. Oh, there's that A340 again. Awesome. God, it almost looks small next to what we just saw. Oh man, I almost didn't film it. Yeah, it's a Lufthansa. Lufthansa. I do love those 4-engine planes. Ontario Air Transit is only like just over 20 years old, if I'm not mistaken. 25 years old. It actually used to be presided by Mr. François Legault there, or Savior there. And all their fleet is all these old Airbuses. Oh, that's weird. You don't see that often. Look at that, eh? Back to back. This airline pretty much only has A330s, and they're all like really old, like 20 years old, man. But, you know, they're well made, they're built to last. But, damn it. Look at that, they're in twos. Where's the other one? Look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Camera doesn't want to focus, of course.